So this is the addressable fire alarm system what we have. So you can see these are the smoke sensors what we have. These all will connect through a network actually, and when there is a fire happens, it will send a signal to the control panel, and in the control panel basically we will be able to see that from where the call is generated or from where the fire has come. So exactly that location will be pinpointed here in the device. So it will show that from which zone the call has come. Can you show it here please?